So tell us about who would want Twitter and how much would it cost?
Well, and so here's where we thread the needle of being responsible journalists and not talking about things we don't know about. We don't know about any offers for Twitter. No one's made an offer to Twitter that we're aware of. But it's a good time maybe to take a look at how the business works, what value it might offer, and indeed, who might be able to afford the company. And that's one thing to start with right there. While this company has a $19.2 billion valuation, has a lot of cash, over $3 billion they raised in the IPO, but also has a good amount of debt that they took out at some very low interest rates, maybe beneficial to them in terms of operating cash. So what we have here is a business that not a lot of companies in technology could buy. And so the names that might get bandied about, such as Google, Facebook, Apple, all businesses that might have a similar interest, that have similar products or have tried to have similar products as Twitter. They have overlapping user bases, surely, to some degree. Those are companies all that have the cash to do this kind of deal. Whether or not they want to do that kind of deal is a whole different kind of thing. And the effect it would have on their business and their earnings is quite different from case to case.
Corey, has Jack Dorsey actually said anything that would make us think he's trying to sell Twitter?
Well, I think that what we can do is we can look at Jack Dorsey as CEO. We know he's the interim CEO. We know that there are problems that they're trying to fix with the core product. However, it's worth pointing out, he's the guy that got them there. Yes, they had a different CEO, but Jack Dorsey has been on the board. He's a founder of this company. He has led this company, if not from the CEO seat, and he's certainly been the CEO at times with this company. He's also been, as I mentioned, a director of this company and has helped to guide them to where they are right now. He has another full-time job with the company Square, which we understand is filed to do an IPO. So he's plenty busy and has something else to do. It's the kind of condition where we know new management is going to come. We would expect it to come through hiring someone or promoting someone, not through getting acquired. I think it's worth also looking at what this business looks like from an earnings perspective. If a company like Apple or Google were to buy this at the current price, it would not be accretive to this company. And in this market environment right now, almost all the acquisitions we've seen have been accretive. Dilutive deals just aren't done in this market right now, interestingly. So of those companies we just mentioned, the only company that could buy Twitter in its current state at its current price, let alone at a higher premium, would in fact be Facebook. But Facebook doesn't appear to be very interested in this company because their product is indeed so competitive with Twitter.